Hello viewers, hope you are all fine. Today I'm here. In this video I'm going to tell you what about WowApp. What is WowApp and how we can earn from it and how it works. So first we will go to Play Store. Then we will go to search bar. First we will download the WowApp. After writing, we have to install it. After installation, we open it. Because I have already made an account, so I am going to put my email address and the password. Then I am going to sign in. Every new person who is going to download WowApp, he has to join through some link. Or he has been invited by someone, or the app will give him the link. If you don't have any link, you can join through this link. Thanks. Here we have different options. Here, first I'm going to tell you what is do good. Here is the day streak, how many days you are working. Day streak means is this. And then doing good. What is doing good? What doing good is that what we earn, some part of that will go to charity of your own choice or the app which they are selected. Then we can see the chat option here. We can chat here in different groups or alone in single views, or we can chat privately or in open mode. Here is the leaderboard. It is based on weekly working. What we earn, it shows it is based on this. Again, here is the next option of news. We can read news of our choice, world news, following sports news, celebrity news, and also get earning from this. Then I'm going to tell how to work on this app. Earnings. Here in earnings there are different options. Instant earn. In instant earn, we can see the two codes, blue and orange. Here we can watch a video after every 20 minutes, or a video of 10 to 30 seconds. Then the next option is fiber. Here are different tasks are available. We can or surveys are available. We can complete the survey or download the task or play or the game to complete the task. Then we will get coins instantly. Then the next option is Appzilla. Here are different tasks are available with different options to get earnings. Next option is the Peanut Lab survey. Complete. Here are also different tasks are available to earn coins. Pullfish survey, same is the way. We have to review different products like mobiles, beverages, etc. And same is the Peanut Lab survey. We have to complete different surveys here. So when we complete the survey, we will get earnings. Then the next option is Go Shop. Here in Go Shop, we shop online anything from the shops which are attached to the WowApp, and we will get in return cash back through WowCoins. The next option is Play Games. We can play different games online here and also earn coins. Make calls. You can make calls buy free or with credit, national or international, with the cheapest price. Smart slide. Here is the next earning option is smart slide. We have, when we lock our screen, we also when unlock the mobile, we also get earning from this. Next option is the smart web. Next option is the smart web. It's work on mobile laptops or computer. Smart web, we can search, we have to install it on our Chrome or Firefox or default browser to earn. We search anything, we have to search this through smart web, and then we will get coins from this. Chat and news. Here we can chat like Facebook, WhatsApp, post anything, any message we can do, we will earn from that. Computer web, we can see our earning details, anything else which we do, we will also get coins from that. Flipkart is another option of earning. Here we can shop online and then can earn in return in the form of wow coins. The next, do good, I have already told about it. The next option is network health. Network health means the referrals who joined through you or through your referrals are how much they working. It depends on you, their work, your network health. Next is income inequality. The next option is income inequality. This app is working for the income inequality to balance it. How much you earn, it's all depends on you. Earning history, you can see what you earn here. At each and every second history you can get cash out. Here you can get cash out what you earn. Here are different options to cash out. Like you can do charity or store, you can store your credit, or you can get wow credit to make calls, or you can also get wow credit, mobile credit. Then you can also get your cash out through credit card or PayPal, or you can also get through bank account. Then what we earn, we will get here, that is on view earning. Our total earning is under view earnings, and the view network, your total referrals are under your view network. If you want to earn much and more, you have to invite different people through your link to join this app to, and when they will earn, you will also get some part of their earning. You can invite friends through WhatsApp, SMS, email, or with more options like Facebook, Reddit, Twitter, Instagram, etc, etc, etc. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get further updates.